Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So how you all are doing? So my week is going well. So I usually get up at 6 o'clock because I get more time to focus on myself as well. I'm able to set my goals and also I feel very energetic and positive whole day. So today I am going to give idlis to my husband, tiffin box and my kiddo. Oh, my husband don't like idli with chutney, so I'm adding the tadka so that it add the flavor to it. Breakfast is ready, and now I'm moving to the lunch, and I'm making wholesome meal dal, roti, and sabzi. So let's start with dal. Like dal is a great source of protein and fiber, so I try to make like 5 6 days in a week so that it completes our protein nutrition. And also I'm making bhindi sabzi and chapati. So now the breakfast and lunch is ready, and I'm going to pack it. So I'll pack my husband and Adi both tiffin box. Now husband and Adi both are ready to go, and Adi is already having his milk. And once husband will do the puja, and I will serve the breakfast on the dining table. Now our husband is off to the office and Adi is on the way to school. So I am going to do the laundry and master bedroom cleaning. First I will do the laundry, and so this is my, you can see this is my washing area, but I have to arrange few things in my laundry. But for now I'm just doing the laundry, and you can see my master bedroom how messy this is looking. So first I'm going to change the bed sheet, and once it is done I will clean the TV unit, dressing table and wardrobe. So this is Adi's toy on TV unit, and every day I have to shout uh, 3 4 times in a day to arrange the toy. But after all, he's a small kid, so I have to help him every time. My cleaning is almost done and it has taken almost 1.5 hours. So I have to finish it fastly because Adi will be coming in few minutes only. From his school and he never want to change his uniform, so first we will do the lunch. So this is the night time and today my husband is staying at friend's place. I am having idli and chutney in dinner. My kiddo has already done and I'm doing this. So once I'm done with it, I'll do the dishes and do the kitchen cleaning. So I'm sure you have liked my video, then please like and subscribe to my channel. So I will meet you in another video.